Well, hello class, and we are working on our third week of recorder here in our new semester. And so what I want you to do is we're going to turn to page 13 in our book, and we will be going over 44, 45, 46, and 51 on page 14. Remember that you have the whole week to work on these, and you need to take as much time as possible. You can always go to the CD if you prefer to do it that way, but definitely go through this at least once with me, and then do it every day, do it multiple times a day in order to learn these songs. I will be giving a surprise quiz on one of these lines eventually, so make sure that you're practicing and you are prepared with all of these. So let's look at number 44 here first. So let's start out with the stage 1 where we count the rhythm. 1, 2, ready, go. Ta, ti, ti, ta, ta. Ti, ti, ta, two. Ta, two. Ti, 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 ta. Sh. Ta, ti, ti, ta, ta. Ti, ti, ta, two. Ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. Sh. 2. All right, second stage, let's go through the note names. Starting on G, make sure you have your fingers all down on the top hand and be ready to go on the bottom with our new note E that we learned last time. All right, let's say our letter names. 1, 2, ready, go. G, 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 A, B, 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 G, A, B, B, A, G, Sh, E, G, A, B, 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 G, A, G, A, B, G, E, Sh, E. All right, take notice of the last two measures. That's probably the one that gave you the most difficulty. A, G, A, B, G, E. It's a little hard to say, too. A, G, A, B, G, E. Practice that a couple more times. 1, 2, ready, go. A, G, A, B, G, E. One more time. 1, 2, ready, go. A, G, A, B, G, E. All right, let's start right there, the last two measures of 44. We're going to play that a couple times just to get used to it, since that's probably the most difficult spot for you. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. Very good. All right, now let's go back to the beginning of 44 and play this on all the way through from the very beginning. So we are in stage 3. 1, 2, ready, go. Very good. All right, remember you can go back and repeat those, pull out your CD and work with it, stop and just practice a little bit. But we are going to keep going on this video here, looking at the next one. Number 45, Little Sally Water. Let's start right there. We'll do rhythm first. 1, 2, ready, go. Ti, 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 ta, ta. Ti, 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 ta, ta. Ta, ti, ti, ta, sh, ta, ti, ti, ta, sh, ta, ti, ti, 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 ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, ti, ti. All right, let's go through the note names first in our second stage. And remember, you can always pause and slow down and go through it very slowly and smoothly if this is too fast for you. 1, 2, ready, go. G, G, E, A, G, E. G, G, E, A, G, E. G, E, E, G. Sh. G, E, E, G. Sh. G, G, A, G, E, E. G, G, A, G, E, E. G, G, A, G, E. G, G, A, G, E, E. All right, it is a little difficult to say, but you're basically using the same 3 notes there, so it should be easier to go through. All right, let's start at the very beginning and play through this. We're going to start on G with all fingers down on our top hand, but have that bottom hand ready to go. 1, 2, ready, play. All right. Again, go through that one a little slower if that is too fast for you. All right, let's look at our next one, number 46, a tisket, a tasket. So you probably will recognize this melody. Let's go through the rhythm first in stage 1. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, 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 ta, ta. T T T T T T T T T T T T ta. T T ta. T T ta. T T T T T T ta ta. All right, note names starting on G. 1, 2, ready, go. G, G, E, A, G, E, E, G, G, E, A, G, E. G, G, E, E, G, G, E, E, G, G, E, A, G. E, E, G, E, E, G, E, E, G, G, E, A, G, E. All right, stage 3. Let's play this one. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, moving on to our last one for today. Turn the page to 14. We're going to be looking at number 51, Kings and Castles. Now, a concept that has been taught at the top of the page is going to be called the tie. And so a tie note means that you are going to hold on to it a little bit longer. You're not going to tongue in between the 2 notes. So, for example, when you look at 51, the first measure into the second measure, you have a half note that's tied onto the quarter note of the first note. So that is going to be 3 beats that you're going to hold out, okay? And so when we count it, it would be 2, all right? Now, all that means is that that rest, or not the rest, the bar marking there that you see, that line in the middle, usually cuts off. You only can have 4 beats in a measure. So this way you can still play a note longer than a measure when you have that tied there. Tied means that it's the same note connected to the same note. So as you notice, it's an E half note tied to an E quarter note. If you are familiar with slurs, slurs are something different because that's when you don't tongue between different pitches. A tied is when you have the same pitch that is tied together, okay? All right, so looking at this one, let's go through stage 1. We're going to do rhythm first. 1, 2, ready, say. Ta, ti, ti, tu, ta, ta, ta. 2, ta, ta, 2, sh, 2, ta, ta, 2, ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, ta, 2. Repeat, ta, T, T, two. Ta, 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 two. Ta, ta, two. Sh, two. Ta, ta, two. Ta, 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 T, T, ta, ta, two. Shh. All right, let's go through stage 2. We are going to be starting on E. So you're going to have all 3 fingers plus thumb down on the top hand, and you're going to have the bottom 2 fingers down. All right, 1, 2, note, name, say. E, 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 G, A, B, G, B, A, sh, G, 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 A, G, A, B, A, G, A, B, G. Repeat. E, 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 G, A, B, G, B, A, sh, G, 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 A, G, A, B, A, G, A, B, G, sh. All right, stage 3. Let's play this one. 1, 2, ready, play. Repeat. All right, class, that's going to end this week's lesson on recorder. Please make sure you take the entire week to work on this and that you get all 4 of these lines down. Starting next week, we will have a surprise little quiz on one of the lines that we've been working on within the last 2 weeks. So have a wonderful week. Make sure you're practicing as much as you can, and I hope that you are all healthy and doing well.